Two dudes jamming out to You'll Never Be Lonely. But we'll get this 460 out of here. Somebody hurry the fuck up.
I want to hear from you. I'm trying to make sure that this fucking starter drops doesn't kill me.
Starter right to the dome.
Yeah, right.
This truck had the cool toolbox. Saving that. And then that starter is a hoss. I just did a power stroke starter. It was smaller than this thing. Oh my god, you got that side cut without actually ruining the blade?
It's because you gave me a wood fucking blade, you asshole.
It's a metal blade. It says metal right on it.
It's a fucking lie.
Metal. It's not my fault you don't know how to use tools. Oh, this is way easier. I don't think you got all the bolts out. You gotta take them out.
You gotta what?
You gotta take the bolts out.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, that's a good one way back in there.
Yeah.
Definitely wasn't gonna come out with that still in. Thing's portly. There we go. Hooked on something. Try to give it a wiggle, I'm hooked. Oh, my ass is floating.
Fire, hang on. You hit the bumper. Up. Up.
I don't have any more up.
Hang on, hang on. Go.
Yeah. Well, if you would have cut the exhaust more, it would have been fine.
It was fucking tight. Go fuck yourself.
You don't realize how girthy a 460 is. With the all the kids that I need a power stroke, I need a Cummins, I need a turbo. Nah, man, Grandpa just used this at 2 miles a gallon with a 3-speed transmission.
Hell yeah, brother.
So pretty good. We'll get this out, get it all cleaned up. I don't think we'll take it fully apart, but enough to new seals. I'd say water pump, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, front main seal, exhaust manifold gaskets. We'll just get the whole gasket kit and then get this carburetor contraption off of there. We should put something over the carburetor to keep the Mises from crawling down in there. That'd be terrible.
Probably a good idea.
I'd say the air cleaner is in the back of the truck. Go get that.